We'll guide you through how to make group calls on WhatsApp. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Group calls are a great way of chatting with others because you can go and chat together, whether it's an audio or video call. We're going to guide you through both. Maybe it's a business discussion with other colleagues or others' businesses, or perhaps just catching up with friends and family. Make sure this full guide and don't go and skip anything. So without any further ado, let's go and get started. We need to come to the bottom and we need to go and find the option for calls like so. Here we are. We need to go and decide who we want to go and call. So what we're going to do is come to the top right and go and press on the plus like so. Now, what you want to do is you can go and start adding who you want to go and call. So I can go and start selecting them over to the right. So I've now got one person added and we can go and come down the list and start going and adding more. So I can add these 3, for example. And then at the bottom, you can go and choose either to do a voice call or a video call. So you can go and decide. Let's go and say I wanted to go and do a video call. I could then go and tap video. And now it's going to go and begin. As you can see, you can then go and wait for them to go and answer. And what the great thing is now is that it's going to go and be saved here. So what you can then do is you can go and tap on it again. And you can then go and easily start the call again. This time I could do voice, for example, and we're now doing the call. And people go and answer and you can go and talk together. That's it. And you can add more as well by pressing the icon in the top right.